What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 48 and again this is going to be kind of continuation of March class. So I believe this is part 3. Again, I'm not giving any title or like part 3 in the headline, but again this is the third video of March class. So in this video I'll be going to talk about this use case, March single node with property and label. So in the first use case we have seen how to merge a single node with label. Then in the next video, which was the last video, there we have discussed on how to merge single node with property but without any label. But here everything is together, node, property and label. So this is going to be merge a single node with property and label. So here we are going to see like what will be the consequences of if anything is not going to match or everything is matched. Okay, so let's check this thing. Okay, so let me go to here and check if I have anything. Okay, return n. Well, so I think I should delete everything. Match n, then delete n. So now what happened? Match n, delete n. Okay, so there is some relationship, so we need to detach delete n. Okay, so it's done. So now we'll create something. Okay, create a, let's city, the label is city, and let's give a name called SYD Sydney. Okay, so we are trying to create a node with label and in property, and let's say country equals to Australia. Created. So if I see here, let's check this thing. Oh, I think I have deleted this thing again. Okay, let's check now. Okay, so this is Australia. Okay, now what I'll do, I will try to merge the thing again. Merge, let's say B, city, then name Sydney. Okay, and we'll see whether this is going to return anything or not. B dot country, because for this thing we have seen that there is a two property, one is country, one is name. So here we are not giving that value country. So let's see whether it is going to return or not. Okay, country, why this is not coming here? This is strange. Okay, sorry, so it was in caps actually. So SYDNUY. Okay, let's check now. Say Australia is written. So now if I do it kind of differently, with another value, let's say I'm just thinking what to put here, like place cricket So now this is not going to return anything. See, null, because there is no such node exist with these two property. So now if I, there will be total 3 nodes. So this is with the first one, this is the, sorry, this is second one with the small caps, small like character thing, and this is the actual one with all the capital case, and here the last one with the name Sydney and place cricket. So it means it is going to check each and every property for the node. Okay, so if this everything is exist in the existing graph, then only it will kind of stop creating the node, or else it will create the node. For example, if I do it now, nothing will happen. Okay, right, cause there is no such node with this thing, but again it is already exist, that is why it is showing this thing. But again, if I remove this thing, it will return Australia, cause it will go and check this thing. Okay, it already exists, so it will try to like return this thing, and null just because for one, if I see, let's check, for here it is place cricket but country equals to null, so that is why it is returning null. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you guys understood the concept. So it will go and check the label and as well as the property, whatever properties mentioned, it will check for everything. So it is kind of AND, not OR. Like if you are having like multiple properties, it will kind of AND, like every property should be like true. And again, like it is going to be true for label and property. All the label should be matched and all properties should be matched, then only it will not create anything. But if it is not going to match with any of the condition violates, then it will actually going to create. So first it will go and check with the label. Okay, if label is already exists, it is fine, then it will go and check with the property. But in the first case, if it doesn't find anything with this label, it will automatically go and create this thing, like this node. But if it finds that there is a node with label city, then it will go inside and check for the property, and property will be again kind of OR, AND, not OR. Like if it doesn't mean that it will go and search for only one value, but it is go and search for all the values from the properties, then only it will stop creating the node. It will return if the value exists or not. But again, if it is not going to find anything, then it is actually kind of, it will create the new node actually. So it is kind of mixture of, as we know, it is a mixture of merge and like match and create. So merge means match and create. So first it will try to match the pattern means here like node label and the property within the node. When I'm talking about properties within the node, it means all the property values will be matched. Okay, so second part, if it is if match founds, then it will not do anything. If there is no match, then it will create the new thing. Okay, new node. Okay, so this is kind of complex to understand, but again we need to understand this thing. But same thing, we can do it from the Python as well, like same thing. Okay, let's run this thing. So it will return Australia and null. See, Australia and none. It is not going to create anything new. Okay, but if I give Munich, okay, so it is also going to return null, because there is a new node. The new node will be created, and it doesn't have any value with this thing. So if I go and check this thing, it doesn't contain any. So there will be 4. This is Sydney, this is Sydney, this is Sydney, and this is Munich probably, and there is no country. So that is why it returns like it is returning none. Okay, so that's all guys. It is kind of messy, I know, but you have to understand one thing, like it will first go and search for this level. If match found, then fine. If there is no match, then it will go immediately and creates the node. If match found, it will go inside and search for this like values. And again, when it is searching for the values, it will use the AND clause, like every property value should be present, or else it will immediately go and create the new node. So that is the main part. Okay, so that's all guys. But again, before like closing the video, I think I should update this thing here and here. Okay, so what is happening? Match step 1, try to match node with label city. If not found, immediately creates the new node, else it will continue to match with the given property values. It will use AND operator while matching the values. It means all condition should be matched with respect to all the property values given. I think this is going to be step 2. Okay, step 3, if match found, do nothing, return the b dot country, else it will the new node and return the b dot country value. So this is the whole thing. Okay, so guys, sorry for the typo. I'm not sure whether I have typed it correctly, but if you find anything, if you guys found anything like any mistake or something like that, I'll be going to upload this in GitHub. Please comment over there, I'll try to fix. Okay, so second thing, I'll do it from here as well. So I'll put this thing here. So I'm just doing it so that you guys should understand at the end. Okay, well, I think I should keep this thing a bit smaller font. 12 is fine, and then probably think I need this part only. Well, let me make this a thing bigger. Probably 14 is fine. Yes, okay, I think 14 is fine, perfectly okay. Okay guys, so slide is ready as well. Don't worry, I'll upload the slide, but before concluding or closing this topic or this thing, let me just do it again. So when you write this thing, first it will go and find this or it will try to match a node with this label. Okay, if match found, it will stop if match found, it will go inside to search with respect to all the given properties. So when we say it will go and search with respect to the given property, it means it will apply AND operator for searching. It means all the condition must be true, then only it will come in come outside of this block. I'm just treating this as a block, but this is not actually happening in this way. I'm just giving you the kind of explanation so that it will be easier to understand. It will come outside and try to return this thing. So in that case, if it is here, if it is the match found true and here it's also match found true, then it will only return this value. There is nothing, there will not be any new node creation. Okay, and if it is here in this case, here if it is false, the first first time or the first iteration, it will come outside, it will create the node and it will return the value. Okay, the second third condition could happen like this. It will match found here, but here it is actually getting failed. So in that case also it will immediately come outside or start creating this thing. Okay, if any of these conditions fail, it will come immediately outside. Okay, so when I say immediately, it means it will execute the whole bunch of statements or properties whatever given. So that's it. So that's all friend, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye and have a nice day. But before concluding the video, please subscribe to our channel, watch our videos, watch our other videos as well, as much as possible. Whenever possible, try to share our videos with your family, with your friends, with your other colleagues, those who think are kind of relevant for our videos. And if possible, try to give some positive feedback, comments. It will actually encourage us to do better in our upcoming videos. So once again guys, goodbye, have a nice day, take care and hope to see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.